We recently flew from the UK to Italy and rented a car. This was our experience.
So I got the keys. Did you get the other document? You got the other document?
I've got this one. So we rented a car.
We rented a whip. We outside, bruh.
Gonna take this free shuttle to the car park. What car did we get?
We got a...
So once we arrived, we went to a desk at the airport and rented a car from a company called Italy Car Rent. These clips are going to show us leaving the airport to pick up the car because it was parked in a different car park, which required us to take a shuttle to reach. At this moment, we've already paid for the car and we're going to collect the car, but we haven't actually inspected it and nobody came out to inspect it with us. We were pretty much told, sign these papers. This is the car that you are going to pick up. Here are the directions on how to get there. We took out full insurance, including full excess cover, and we were told at the desk not to worry about any minor scratches, bumps, or anything on the car itself because all of it is covered by the insurance.
Let me check, bro.
Toyota Yaris, right?
Yaris.
Toyota Yaris.
Dip.
What are you doing?
Dip. We got Yaris blood.
How do you feel?
Dip.
For the bus?
Just to go get a car.
Let's see it.
So we're here. We're gonna go get the car, and then this is our route to go to our accommodation right here.
Which is about what, 10 minutes?
It's about 10-minute drive.
Would have been an hour and a half.
Hour and a half to walk. So I think we made the right choice.
I agree. So we're picking up the Toyota Yaris.
Yo, someone's already scratched the bumper. Man said 7 series, boys. 42. There it is.
There it is. Number 42.
Wait, this is nice.
It's a nice color too.
Bro, look, it's got foaming on it. Boys, fresh whip, you know. Come on. Vlogging and that. Yo, let's go.
Just check the overall. You can see little scrapes, but they said it don't matter, so
These are dirt.
there you go.
Fine, man.
You can put it in the. Oh, don't you take that with you to the thingy?
Where?
To the back of the sea or something. Look, we all have to put the bags in.
Yeah, so dash them in.
Just
Got
on
room, bro.
top of your thingy.
Oh, the jacket.
Yeah.
The jacket's not getting used, bro. I just bought it just in case. It's fine.
Returning the car was very simple. We just had to park the car in a bay and drop the key off in a key box at their collection office. Because of the way that the key was dropped off in a key box, nobody was there to inspect the car with us at the time of drop-off. A few hours later, we received an email with an attached extensive damage matrix outlining various costs for damaged or missing parts. In this case, they are claiming that the parcel shelf is missing from the vehicle. Alongside this, they have also attached images of damage to the rear bumper and the roof of the vehicle, although these are covered by the insurances that we took out when we rented the vehicle. By claiming that we are missing the parcel shelf that was never provided to us in the first place, this unfairly puts us in a position where normally it would be near to impossible to prove that the parcel shelf was not there when we received the vehicle. Fortunately for us, we were vlogging when we picked up the vehicle, so we have plenty of video evidence here to show that all of these damages were already on the vehicle from when we picked it up. Now let's run back some of the clips and pick out some of the key moments and details during the collection. So we signed the documents and started the rental agreement for 7:04 p.m. Shortly after, we go to catch the shuttle, which is due to pick us up at 7:20 p.m. For the bus?
Just to go get a car.
See it.
So we're here.
Now we're sat on the bus and you can see it came on time. There it is. Now let's see if we can spot the damage on the roof of the car. You can just about see the damage that was already on the roof. Now, clearly no parcel shelf was provided with the vehicle. Not surprisingly, the bumper damage is also very visible in this clip. Surely these damages that were already on the vehicle before we picked it up would have been recorded and not included in our damage report when we returned the vehicle. Italy Car Rent is clearly running a scam here, and are hoping that the people renting are not clearly documenting the collection and return of the vehicles that they provide. Here's a final bonus clip showing us getting inside the vehicle and getting ready to drive off from the collection point. From the vehicle infotainment system, you can clearly see that we finished loading the car and set off at 7:42 p.m.